Now let's introduce how to change the ribbon and roll paper. Firstly, hold the panel with both hands and move it down. Then hold both the ends of printing paper with hands. Lift up. Then pull out the printing paper gently. Now we can see the ribbon. Use the index fingers to hold the sides of the ribbon. Pull it up gently. Let's show how to install printer ribbon and roll paper. Put the ribbon into the wrap. Let's see how to install the roll paper. Connect the power supply and press power on button. Press SEL button, then press LF button. Then feed the paper into the entrance.